Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're out here at the Grapevine this afternoon, and we're going to be checking 67. It's a newt. It's got a super on top. Last time we checked it was 9.4. Got eggs and brood, and it needs a deep box, so I think I put this super on it. Yeah, I put a super on it. This is 9/23, so it's been about 20 days. Okay. Now they only have 4 frames in their super. I was hoping they'd go up there and build something and lay some eggs. Hope this one ain't doing like the other one over there at the nursery where I was saying there wasn't no bugs and it had 5 beetles in front of the feeder ring, and they were just running around. Nobody told me nothing. I had to go back through it and watch it again before I saw it. But yeah, that's okay. This one here, this is a piece of plastic. Yay. And it has a white one, so that was, got my colors now. Year before last, this is the honey super. It has honey in it. If we could get them all like this, we were pretty good. Had a beetle on it, got rid of the beetle. Put it back in there. This next one's a piece of wax that they have destroyed, or I have. But they'll fix that too when they need to. Take the super off and set it over here, and we'll see what they got. Okay, this one here. This one here has some nectar. Side here has nectar. No bugs are running. And that's them. We're just going to set it over here for right now. Okay, this one here has brood, some nectar, some larvae. I don't see any eggs because I'm not looking for them. It's been laid up, both sides. Bottom clean. You got brood, some honey, some nectar. Baby hatching, almost out. Got some larvae. Good looking little frame. This one here has some brood, some honey. Eggs just laid up. Same thing on both sides. Good when you can see the eggs. This one has some brood, some nectar. Yeah, that one got me. This one has some brood, some nectar, some honey. I don't see much pollen. Look at it right back. Well, I went looking for some frames to put in here that was built out, but I didn't see any. So, what we're going to do is just leave it the way it was. And hopefully they'll move up to the top. Didn't see the queen, we saw everything else we needed to see, so that's it. I didn't see any pollen. So we're going to give them some. Give them some they can save, give them some they can use now. Put the peppermints in there because they like candy. Little sweet tooth babies here. I don't even know if y'all can see this. I hope you can. Put this back up there. Yep. Put that back there. Put their feeder back in there. Put their feeding ring back on there. Give them some food. We didn't get that honey flow that I was thinking we were going to get. Some flotation in the farm. Put this here. I don't know what we did. Bottom. Y'all don't need to see this. That's about it. Y'all give us a comment, thumbs up, share, tell people you like it. Let them know where we're at. Y'all have a wonderful day. Weekend coming up. There we go. So y'all be careful out there.